Hello everyone, this is Mathologic. So today in this video we are going to do some maths problems that were asked in NTSC Stage 1 Mathematics. So we are going to do some particular problems from mathematics as I have written here. So the question number 1 from last year is, that is 2020. If a triangle, see here, if a triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle such that A2, 2 and centroid of the triangle is -2, 2, then find the length of its sides. So the thing which is given here is just one vertex of this triangle and the centroid, which you all know that it is the point of intersection of all the medians of this triangle. So if I draw all these three medians, so this point we can say this as G is the centroid of the point of intersection of all these medians. So I'm just considering here one median, which is AB. Right now we all know that the centroid of any triangle divides its median into 2:1 ratio, or you can say this part AG is the 2/3 of this whole side AB, and this side GB is the 1/3 part of this AB. This is the trick here we are going to solve. We are use the trick. So this is the trick here we are going to use to solve these problems. So let us write the solution for this particular problem. Okay, so the thing is, the point A is given as 2, 2, and the point G is, which is centroid, given as -2, 2. So first of all, we will find the distance between A and G. So we all know that the distance between A and G is given by the distance formula, which is square root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, or you can write it x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It doesn't matter since we are having the squares here. So by just putting the values, you can consider this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 as y2. So we will get 2 plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square, as a result of getting only 4 square plus 0, which is actually 4 only. So the distance between A and G is 4 units, right? So we have got the distance between A and G. Now we need to find the distance between A and B. As we all know that since the AG is the 2/3 part of AB, now we can write that 2/3 of since 2/3 of AB is AG. This is all we know. Now, if I put the value of AG here, so I will get 2/3 AB is equal to 4, and this implies that AB is equal to 4 into 3/2, which is equal to 6 units. So the distance between the point A and B is 6 units. So this median AB is actually the altitude of this triangle. As you all know, in any equilateral triangle, the altitudes are medians as well as the angle bisectors. So we have got the altitude of this triangle, and we also know that the altitude of any equilateral triangle, we all know that altitude of an equilateral triangle is given by √3/2 into side, that is A. So it is being asked to find the length of its sides. So we just need to find the value of A, and we also got the altitude of this triangle is 6 units, and the altitude is also equal to √3/A. Now just we need to equate these two things. We will get √3/2A is equal to 6, or A is equal to 12 by √3. On just rationalizing this, we will get the answer, which is A is equal to 12√3/3, which is equal to 4√3 units. So A means the side of this triangle, which was A, is equal to 4√3 units. So dear students, this was the question asked in NTSC, and I've solved this. So I hope you got it. Thank you.